going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great week as usual. So we're back today with another unboxing video, again with a women's release and colorway. This time for the New Balance 327 in the beige or tan colorway. I absolutely love the 327 silhouette. I believe it is a new silhouette for New Balance. They've really been killing it with this new model, but the women's have been getting all the best colors, man. So they don't usually make men's sizes for the women's colorway, so it was really hard to find a size close to mine. The biggest I could find was a US 9. I wasn't sure if it was a women's or men's US 9, but let's hope this works out, man. Anyway, excuse the crappy box, guys. My box got absolutely destroyed in the mail. So for my local friends, if you're ordering from Foot Locker in Singapore and you're really picky about your boxes, do not opt for the shipping option. I'd highly advise just going down to the store and picking it up yourselves. But yeah, let's get into the video. So first off, I'm going to start off the video by saying if you haven't gotten to the 327 silhouette, I genuinely recommend picking up a pair. The 327 was inspired by previous 320 and 355 models with a 70s retro vibe aesthetic. I'm not really sure what that means, to be honest, but it seems good to know. So let's get into the shoe. The 327s are an extremely lightweight and comfortable shoe. Oh, and I always forget this part, so I'm going to start off with the sizing fits small, so go at least true to size or up half a size. As I said before, this is a women's release and colorway, so we've got materials that vividly represent that. We've got shiny nylon uppers that give off an almost satin-like finish for that feminine twist, glossy patterned leather on the eye stays, oversized New Balance N logo, a signature for the 327s, distressed beige suede on the front fang area and back, subtle New Balance branding on the inner side, and of course a very prominent studded outsole that wraps up towards the back as well. And finally, these beige tan laces to match to give off such a clean and well executed aesthetic. What I love about the 327s is their price point. They're basically half the price of the usual 990 V5s, which are pretty pricey. The 327s are super versatile, exceptionally comfy, and I really don't have anything bad to say about them. Overall, just a really good pickup in my opinion. So these are the second pair of 327s I own. New Balance Singapore actually sent me my first pair, so I thought it'd be cool to do a breakdown comparison between the men's and the women's silhouettes. So straight up, we do see different materials being used. We have mesh on the men's as compared to the glossy nylon on the women's, and also more distressed suede on the eye stays for the men's versus the patterned leather on the women's eye stays. And of course, sizing and shape does differ slightly between the men's and the women's, but besides that, that's pretty much it. So to my guys out there, if you're into the women's colorways like I am, and if you're able to fit, it's definitely safe to go for it. Another shoe that the 327s have been compared to a lot lately is the Nike Sacai. It's very easy to see why with the slim silhouette and very similar studded type outsole. I definitely agree because for styling purposes, they both basically serve the same purpose. They're both very slim in shape and extremely lightweight, and both look crazy clean. I view the 327s as an updated 2020 version of the Nike Sacais, and with the resale prices still pretty high for the Nike Sacais, I'd say the 327s are a really great and more price-friendly alternative. But yeah, now let's get into some on-foot looks and styling tips. Alright, there you go guys. That was 3 ways to style the New Balance 327 in the women's beige or tan colorway. As I said, these are a little small on me, but I think they're kind of worth it because of how good looking they are. They're so comfy and versatile, and the best part about them is their very friendly price point. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment. It does help with the algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys, peace, and see you guys again soon.